Puma could be. Ako tisiya ta Hadzabe. Ako kay omootsu ako na kuni po ako mcheza. Kaya si ako ula ako atika. Amana.
Yeah, so guys, these people, they have the shop.
Yeah, workshop place. Yeah, they have stuffs that they make by themselves.
By themselves. It's a bit light.
They make a bracelet, they make necklaces by using stuff from the bushes.
Bushes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
These are bracelets. Sometimes they use seeds, like this one.
Okay.
These are seeds from the calabash.
Okay.
But this one from the porcupine.
Porcupine.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay. This is the necklace. And this one is the baobab tree fruit. Okay. What? Yes, I've seen someone who has the necklace. That friend
chief
of ours. Yes, that is the chief.
The one
we went to. Yes.
Yeah.
That is the chief. Yeah. Okay. So these people, they have the chief, meaning they have the leader.
Yeah.
Okay.
The one who manage everything in the camp.
In the camp. Yeah. Like for example, when you visit this place, there are some charges that you pay.
Yeah.
So that charges is the one who receives the charges, the money.
Yeah.
And maybe he does. What is the work of the chief in this place?
The chief?
Yes.
He manages everything. Like when they need food,
yes,
they must tell him.
They must tell him.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if they need water, they must tell him.
Okay.
So they organize everything in the camp.
In the camp.
Yeah.
So do they have the qualities to choose the chief or the leader?
Yeah.
What are some of the qualities or some of the the behaviors that they see in someone, and then they will choose that person to be the leader?
What they looking for a lot?
They check in a person, like they look in a person, then they say, "You'll be our leader."
Yeah, the one who is good on hunting. Yeah.
Okay.
But the chief, he once killed a lion.
You once killed a lion?
Yeah.
This one killed a lion?
Yeah. By using the poison arrow.
Can you call him to tell us, please? Can you call him to tell us?
He's very tired.
He's very tired.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
He killed a lion once?
Yeah.
And they hate that lion?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. You know, the poison arrow, it takes 15 minutes to kill an animal. You see?
Okay.
It's very dangerous.
What is the poison that they put there?
From the desert rose tree. They get it from the desert rose tree.
Yeah.
So
that is the poison. So if the arrow gets you, then you are done.
Yeah.
Even the person can die.
Yeah. But they use this kind of plant. We call it agave berry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that arrow, if they shoot an animal, every arrow has that poison. Every arrow.
No, it's only one arrow among all of the arrows.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So they put the poison in one arrow.
One arrow.
Yeah.
So for you to be elected as a leader in this community or in another camp, you need to you have killed a lion or some another animal very big.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So the strong man can be a chief.
A chief.
Yeah.
Okay. And the one maybe who has a good leadership qualities.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. So and we have these ones are a little bit spoiled. Yo, maybe I can buy one for my brother. My brother likes this. Yes. And they also have some nice. These are the wild berries fruits.
Yeah.
Do you have fruits? Okay.
They are already rotted.
Oh, so they don't remove them. So this is like when you buy it, you go and fix it in your house like this.
Yeah,
For
just
the
like
beauty
a
decoration. And also this right here. They have a shop. This is actually the shop. When you come here and you want maybe to support them, you can buy one. So they are not like idle. This one keeps them. They do make these things by themselves.
Yeah.
Where do they get this one from? The beads.
They get from the neighbors.
They buy.
Here, yeah.
Okay. Look at these guys. Hey. Okay. This one is a little bit. The sack is that because it has been raining. You guys. We even have this. Hello. The cooking. The porridge is thick. And also. So many apparently, like it is a separate place. If you check around, they are even fenced around. Yeah, yes. The chief community, the chief who leads this community is very tired. They say he went for nowadays they go to hunt at night and they comes in the morning. So he's very tired. He's someone sleeping there, and that is it. These are the. What is this? These are for the kids? These ones?
Yeah.
Okay. They got the toys for the kids. Hey. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So even this, the wild fruits, these things can be so useful.
Yeah.
They use this in maybe heating the food and also in creating some beautiful ornaments like this.
Yeah.
Hey.
Even house.
Yes. Yeah. So how much is this? Hey. Gabi. This is 10,000 Kenyan. This is 10,000 Tanzanian shillings. That's like 500 Kenyan shillings. 10,000. 10,000 is 500 Kenyan shillings.
Yeah.
Yes, this one, guys. Hey. Hello. Hey, I'm telling you. Okay, guys, we need to go home. It's very late. But before that, they're gonna sing for us a little bit. Then we will go home. Look at this. Yo, guys. Hey! That has been amazing, guys, you know. It is around. It's 6. It's actually 3 minutes to 6. Hey. Yeah. Today been a very long day, but you know, I'm grateful and so happy that the day has ended in a good way, and we thank God for everything, you know. So I have a little problem, guys. In the morning when we were coming with the motorbike, we got an accident. So I don't know if you can see some bruises over here. We got an accident. This one is paining. The screen of my phone got some cracks. That was in the morning. I don't know if you can see. Leave alone the sideways. This one at the middle here, it got some cracks. And also, let me show you. I have some pain on my leg. Got an accident in the morning. Yes, and also my right leg is a little bit paining. We almost died, guys, in the morning. So, hey, Lord, thank you for saving us. We almost died in the morning. The motorbike, the brakes, they went off, and it was at the hilly place. We were going downwards, you know. So it was hard, but we made it. Yes. So, guys, I am somewhere here, and something happened here in the morning. Since I've told you we got an accident, so tell us what happened in the morning.
I just like an emergency. Yeah, we are about to drop under the bridge. The bridge. Yeah, but it was like good luck for us.
It was good luck. So the brake failed.
Yeah.
The motorbike. It was the driver, and then the brakes failed. We almost. Hey, I'm telling you, the brake failed at around that place. I'm going to show you. And my friend here is saying it's a little bit better it failed from that side, because if it was here, right here, we would have gone to the river. So it would have, imagine I'm here and then my mom hears that I got an accident. Tell me, it would have been a very bad story, you know. So God helped us. I have even my friend has an injury on the leg and on the hand, and also me, I have an injury on the hand and on the leg. So it was a very bad accident. But no one was. We were injured, but not that much, because at the end of the day, we woke up and we went and did some videos. So he's telling me if it was somewhere here, because that place is so, I don't know how it is. It would have been a different story. So the rivers have dried, but if it rains, you'll find a lot of water around this place. So I just stood here just to tell you that we got an accident in the morning, but all is good. I'm going to show you somewhere there where we went down with the motorbike. I almost like we went down and my mind was back at home, and I was like I was like, so many things came to my mind. So we thank God. Nothing really bad happened, but just a minor injuries. Is it minor or yes, minor, small injuries. Yeah, so we go and show them where I'm telling you. So we wait for this one to pass. Okay. So apparently they are saying this place is so bad. There's so many accidents happen here.
Yeah.
Very many.
Yeah. Because the place is very tough.
Yeah. That is the truck.
Hiyo baba. Shwari. Wako na shemeji. Shwari. Leo huduma tutapata kweli? Ngumu sana.
Come on. So this one they what are they carrying? Maize, the corn?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, we go and show them where. Baba. Nyaje baba. So this place, the rain disappears one day, then it looks like it has never been raining. Yeah. But yesterday at night it was raining. if it was here, we would have died. I'm telling you, if it was here, it would have gone down. It would have been another story today. Yo! Yeah, so this is the place where the incident happened, right here. The brakes went like, whoo! For a while, I saw darkness, guys. For a minute, I saw darkness. I went and sat somewhere right there, and I was trying to focus. Like I was trying to think what has just happened. It was bad. So thank you, Lord, for saving us. I have some pushes, and I also have some pain on my right leg. But let us hope that everything is okay. By tomorrow, I'll be fine. Yeah, because I need to work. I need to go out tomorrow for videos again. We'll see what will happen. So keep subscribing, keep liking, guys. I have actually come to realize that the Hadzabe community, it is very huge. They have a very big land. Some have built the houses, like not really the houses, but the other ones. They are attached with the grass, you know. Yes, and yeah, it's a very huge community, and the government, they gave them the government of Tanzania, and they gave them the land. Yeah, so the Hadzabe people, they have their own specific place, and you can even tell someone, take me to the Hadzabe community. But now the problem comes when naming the camps, because apparently I'm being told they have so many camps, different camps, yeah, so many camps, which is there with very many difficult names. You cannot even pronounce them, guys. But that is it. So enjoy the view of the area a little bit. Then we will end the video maybe when we are at the hotel. Yeah. So that is it, guys.
Yes. So guys, I'm hoping that you have enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for the support. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, share, and after watching this video to the end, please leave a sweet comment down below on what you think about this video. So thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.